Hi team, I wanted to go ahead and record a strategy for teaching these types of find the error problem because I've already received a couple questions about, wait, I don't understand, I think that you might have had the wrong answer on the answer key, I don't know how to teach these. So this is the exact problem from the Unit 1 exam, so please don't use it if you're going to teach this strategy to your students. Make up another problem. But here's how I solve these problems. So I take a piece of paper and I cover it all up. Here's my original problem. I'm going to identify before I scroll or slide down, what do I think the next step should be? Well, looking at this order of operations problem, I think that I should do 58 minus 13. I'm going to reveal step 1. I can see here that yes, they did 58 minus 13, 45. Okay, I don't see any other errors. We're good. I'm going to slide down another one. Step 2. Oh wait, sorry. I'm going to identify what I think should happen next. Well, I did my groupings. Next, I'm going to deal with my exponent. So I think the correct move would be to take 3 to the power of 3. So I'm going to slide down. Step 2. They didn't show their work. That's fine. But 3 to the power of 3, your students might just do it off to the side. That's 9 times 3. Okay, that's 27. Yes, they got that right. Sliding down again, I think that the next thing right here should be 45 divided by 9. Ooh, that's not what happened. The person doing this, instead, they added 27 and 45 and got 72. That's not following the order of operations. Step 3 is going to be my answer. This is where the mistake first appears. It's not a head game of, well, if they wrote it down in step 3, then they thought about it in step 2, or somewhere in between when they were doing their work. That's not how we answer these questions. We are just saying, where do I first see the error appear? Oh, it's first written down incorrectly on the page in step 3. Therefore, step 3 is my answer. That's what's wrong. Everything after that has a very good chance of being wrong unless it's a question that you could solve in multiple orders, which wouldn't be ideal. So step 4 is also incorrect because I shouldn't have done 72 divided by 9 next. I should have had 45 divided by 9 and worked it differently. So each subsequent step is also incorrect, but this type of question is asking, where did the error first appear? And so that's how I teach my students to solve it. Where do you first see it show up? Boom, right there. Okay, done. This is going to be on the unit exam, this exact question, so again, don't use this one. But problems like these show up on the STAR on a very regular basis, which is why we wanted to get it out in front of kids early. I posted in the review day about 10 of these problems. Not all 10 are applicable. This is a resource I made last year at the end of the year. Some of them have negatives, some of them have fractions and decimals. So I think it's only the first 2 or 3 that you can use to show this strategy with students, but I would strongly encourage you come up with a few others. Show the students, make sure they're accustomed to how does this work, which answer do I choose, and then also make them resolve it. This will be another part of the question on the unit exam is, okay, what should the real answer have been? And then it's just an order of operations problem. You can identify the mistake here, great. Work through it and solve to find the true and correct solution. I hope that helps, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to email.